How to find solution for the error secure connection failed. This error, it's about 70-100%. It's a server side or the owner side or the website administrator side, but we have to follow the other cases. Maybe we have one of them at our side. So these are the steps for solving this error from the client side. The first thing is to check system date and time. In Windows, you do these steps. In Mac machines, you do these steps. So the second thing is to clear browser cache, memory, and cookies. In the Google Chrome, those steps in Google Chrome, and those steps in Firefox. The third thing is to update your browser. Go to update your browser. For updating Google Chrome, use this Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to help about Google Chrome, and Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. For Firefox, the following steps. The fourth thing is to disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interface with secure connections. Try to disable your extensions to see if the issue is solved or resolved or not. In Google Chrome, to do this, you go to more tools and extensions and toggle off all extensions, and then enable them one by one to find the culprit or culprit. In Firefox, you follow the other steps in Firewall. The fifth thing is to check your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes antivirus software or firewalls can block secure connections. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. In Windows Defender, do this. In Mac, do these steps. And the sixth thing is to reset SSL state. Resetting the SSL state in your browser can sometimes fix connection issues. So to reset SSL in Google Chrome, do the following steps. And the seventh thing is to check for malware. Malware can interfere with secure connections. Run a full system scan using trusted antivirus program. The last thing, and number 8, contact the website administrator. And I think about 70% of this problem in this step. And the last one is to contact the website administrator, who is the owner for the or the owner of this website, to fix this issue. Especially if you contact other colleagues and they tell you that this website is not giving them the same error. If none of the above solutions work, the issue might be with the website SSL certificate. Contact the website administrator to inform them of the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the secure connection failed. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press on like and write any question, and I will reply you as soon as possible.